Downloading your account data from Uber is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and retrieve your information. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find Privacy. Tap on it to open the privacy options related to your account. Step 4. Request your data. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for confirmation message from Uber. This email will contain a link or instructions on how to download your data once it is ready. Once you have followed these steps, you will be able to access your Uber account data. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.